All right. Afternoon again, coach. How delighted you are with that last minute goal to tie the game in the last minute?
Yeah, we just had a half-full game. Small fields give us nightmares. Also, we conceded definitely one that was a howler from the keeper again. So it was always going to be difficult. So it was very satisfying for us to just change tactics, do some things different, and get back an equalizer.
All right, let's go back to that first goal. Is another mistake from a goalkeeper this season, a rarity last season? Is it more down to the amount of games you guys are playing, so they've lost concentration at points?
I don't know what it is, but it is true. Probably half of the goals that we concede is errors from either the goalkeeper or the back line. It's something that we're working on, but we still have 6 games to work on it before the playoff come. But I don't know what is it. I don't know if they are fatigued mentally. Because they have been playing a lot of games, not just this year, but they have played more games than every other goalkeeper over the past 2 years or 3 years. So maybe it's something that we have to factor in. The only we can go to our 17-year-old. We have a 17-year-old. Maybe one of the days we have to go do it and give those keepers a rest.
All right. All right, let's start the first half now. Another first half that I feel you guys started slowly. It's clear that Harbour View came with the idea to give you guys a lot of the ball, especially your centre backs. Is it that that's a tactic to beat this Cavalier team? Do you believe your build-up plays a bit too slow?
No, I don't think they gave us the ball. We deliberately pin them back in their half. It's a tactic of ours to pin them back in their half by being aggressive with numbers up front. It probably worked towards Harbour View strength, but the truth is, on a small field like this, it's just difficult to play any other way but try to control the possession, which is what we did. It helped them to hit on the counter, but even with those, that I think, again, it was first one glaring goalkeeper error and second goal half-full defending. So I wouldn't think that they are the tactics that work.
All right, coach. But I'm not sure if you're aware of the stats. You lost majority of your points against the bottom 16.
I know.
What is the situation? Is it that it's hard to get this team up for these type of matches?
No, it's very good that we're losing against the bottom 6. We won't be seeing them in the playoffs.
That's a good point. Yes. All right. Just a final question, coach. Any update on Germany Leng and his status? Will he be back in time for the playoffs?
No, yeah, he'll be back for the next match. He's good. It's just that he sat out because he had 5 cards. That was the reason why he sat out this time.
Oh, okay. No problem. Well, thanks for your time, coach. And best of luck going forward.
Thank you.